Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn to add an average line. Select, drag and drop the area chart icon from the visual selection. Now drag and drop date to x-axis and revenue to the y-axis. Drill down the visual until the x-axis are months. From the Analyze section, click on the Average Line icon, then click on the Add Line button. Now we have added the average line. Let's format this line. To format, click on Line and then select the color black and then adjust the transparency level. Thank you! If you want to learn to create Power BI dashboard like this in 15 minutes, then click on the link at the top of screen. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel for more Power BI videos and get regular updates.